Hi, I'm Mike Smithson, your ASOC treasurer, and I'm here to tell you how to use the point of sale system at the spring exhibition. You'll see the image in front of you shows the layout. It won't look exactly like this at the exhibition, but it has all of the elements, all the equipment that's going to be there. There's a laptop with a mouse. There's a printer that's loaded with A5 paper. There's a barcode reader, and there's a Tyro FPOS machine. Those are the only four things that we need to worry about and to use, and the rest of this video is going to be about how to use them and how to make a sale. When someone wants to purchase one or more artworks, first thing to do is to either go with them or send another volunteer to the artworks they want to purchase and bring the artwork labels to the sales desk. A typical artwork label will look like this. You can see that there's a barcode in the upper part, and that's what needs to be scanned with the barcode reader. To use the barcode reader, you squeeze and hold the trigger while pointing it at the art label. And what you want to do is to get the red line that it emits to cross the barcode label itself. A good distance to hold it from the label is about 10 to 15 centimeters, or between 4 and 6 inches if you're on the old scale. The barcode reader will beep when it has read the barcode, and you can then let the trigger go. If for some reason the barcode reader won't read a label's barcode, for example, if the label is damaged, you can use the backup list at the sales table and read the barcode from that, using the screen that I'm showing here to isolate the barcode that you need to read. This is what the screen on the laptop looks like before you read a barcode. When you read a barcode, the information and the barcode about the artist and the work all appears in the first available row in the spreadsheet here. The information recorded on this receipt screen includes the barcode that you've just read, the price of the artwork, the quantity, the catalog number, and the artist's name. The total price in red font up at the top is what you enter into the FPOS machine to complete the transaction. You enter the amount in red font on the laptop screen's receipt by using the touch screen keyboard on the FPOS machine that is displayed here. You then ask the purchaser to tap their card at the front of the machine and to enter their PIN, their personal identification number, if that's required. The machine will then complete the transaction and give you the option of printing a copy of the receipt for the customer. Now return to the laptop and use the mouse to click the Sold button in the spreadsheet. The printer will print 2 copies of the receipt. These will appear in the out tray of the printer. You keep 1 copy for ASOC and you give the other to the customer. Ask the customer to print their name and mobile phone number on our copy of the receipt. Advise the customer that they must bring their receipt to collect their artworks at the end of the exhibition. Finally, put a red dot on the artwork label or labels and return them to be attached to the artworks, and put the receipt into the receipt box. If a customer wants to purchase more than one artwork, all you need to do is to point the barcode reader at each artwork label and squeeze the trigger so that it beeps and reads the barcode. The information will be automatically recorded on the screen in the receipt spreadsheet, and once you've got that, then the total in red font will be the total that you enter into the FPOS machine. If you make a mistake, if you read the wrong barcode, you can start over by using the mouse to click the Cancel button. This will delete everything that's been entered, and you can begin again. If you're at the cards and ready to frame table, then your receipt will look like this, and the system will print just one copy, which the customer takes away with them. The customer wants to purchase multiple items from a collection, such as cards with the same price on each of them. Then you can refer to the barcode book at the sales table, which will list all of these collections. So for example, let's suppose someone wants to purchase 5 cards from Edwina Walsh's collection, and the cards are priced at $5 a piece. You can read the barcode the appropriate number of times and complete the sale. So if, in this case, we would point the barcode reader at Edwina's barcode, press the trigger 5 times, get the beep 5 times, and you would then see that that would be entered 5 times in the spreadsheet. So we would have the customer purchasing 5 cards at $5 a piece for a total of $25. And just remember that if you make a mistake, you can always start over by using the mouse to click the cancel button. That's all the instructions that you'll need for operating the point-of-sale system at the spring exhibition. A written copy of these instructions will be available at the sales desk in case you need to refer to them. And of course, you can always get in contact with me if you have any questions.